Subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos. Dear friends and followers, welcome back to my Tech Conclusion channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I am Shashank Hecha from Tech Conclusion. So we are going to talk about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I will give you the details of the phone with top 10 features. So let's talk about the first feature. The mobile comes with a triple camera. Yes, it has 40 megapixel camera with 1.8 aperture and 20 megapixel camera with 2.2 aperture and 8 megapixel camera with 2.4 aperture. Totally it has 68 megapixel and it's most probably the better camera ever in the mobile industry. So let's talk about the second feature. In-display fingerprint sensor with 3D face unlock. Yes, it has more powerful 3D unlock technology to unlock your phone smoother and faster. The third feature is it comes with the world's first 7nm mobile AI chipset that's called, the processor name is Kirin 980 processor. And the fourth feature of the phone is it comes with a massive battery. It has 4200 milliampere battery which can charge your 70% of battery with only 30 minutes. Yes, it comes with a fast charger technology also. The fifth feature of the phone is it comes with a 3D depth camera. Yes, for example, if you capture the toy angle with a 3D capture means you can animate it in your phone only. Yes, it is one of the unique feature of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The sixth feature is the camera comes with a calorie check. Yes, it indicates the thing which you capture in the camera. For example, if you had the apple in your hand and you get a picture or a video of that, means it will automatically calculate the calories of the thing what you are covering on the camera. The seventh advantages of this mobile is the wireless projecting. Yes, if you have a smart TV or a projector like that, you can on the smart wireless connectivity in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and you can use it with your TV also. And the next feature is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with the splash, water and dust proof. Yes, this phone has a massive technology of a splash proof protector and it has the dust protector as well as the rain protector. So the last 10th feature of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, it comes with an two variant. It has 4GB RAM and 128GB variant and the 128GB ROM with 6GB variant. So this mobile comes with 4 color variants. The first color is midnight blue, the second is black, the third is twin light, the fourth is emerald green. So these are the most top 10 the features of Huawei 20 Pro, and this phone has the price of 69,900 rupees. It's available on the Amazon exclusive. Hope you guys like this video, and if you are new to here, please subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new videos. So that's it for today guys. Meet you on the next video. I have given the link in the description. If you like this video, please give a like, and is there anything to say about this video, please comment in the comment section below, and meet you on the next video. Till there, take care, bye bye.